So let's start the process of type 1 hypervisor installation of VMware ESXi 6.7. So for that purpose, number one, we require ISO image which we can download from the VMware website. And then on the in the second option, we require the USB. Definitely we will make bootable this USB by this ISO image and then install this ESXi on our physical server. So if we want to make the USB bootable, so for that purpose we also require application which make this USB bootable. So three components we require for this purpose. So if you want to download your ESXi image, you can Google from here, and you can Google it, ESXi 6.7 here, download ISO. As you click, you can see here I have already searched for it. So download ESXi 6.0 and other products from VMware website. Here might be, you see, okay, I just click 6.0, sorry, it's my mistake. I just type 6.7. So here you can see that vSphere hypervisor ESXi 6.7 by VMware. So you can download from here the ISO image and the application which you require. Here I have already downloaded. Here you can see that I have already downloaded the VMware hypervisor installer 6.7 with the cumulative updates. Okay, and if you have the USB, then you can download the Rufus application, which is used generally for building a USB as a bootable. So when I open this application, install this application on my server machine or client machine, so with the help of this application I can make my USB as a bootable device. So I just to click with here, I can open the Rufus application as I have. Okay, I don't have, I didn't install. So for first I will just install it. Here you can see that, do you want to allow Rufus to check your application updates online? I don't need the updates. So here the application will be open. Okay, so here you can see that disk or ISO image, please insert it, select here from. Okay, and I went to my C partition. I have the software folder, and from here you can see that. Okay, and as now I need to insert my USB drive. Here you can see that I can select from here. So right now I don't inserted any USB device because we will go to install this ESXi version on my virtual machine. So that's why I have already set up my physical server, but for the demo purpose we are going to install this, so you can earn the skill how you can install the ESXi on your own machine. And when you inserted your USB, then just click on the ready button, and within few minutes your device will be your USB will be bootable, and just insert your bootable USB into your physical server, and from BIOS you can select boot from the USB, and then the installation process will be initiated as we will start in the coming session. So if you don't have this application, you can also make bootable your USB by the Microsoft command line tool, which is called diskpart, DIFK. Let me write over here for you. So you can also use diskpart for this purpose. So make your USB bootable with the help of ISO image, and then start the installation process. So let's move with the installation process of hypervisor 1.